Let's add some content to a Creative Tonie. Creative Tonies have 90 minutes of recordable space for your own songs, stories, and messages from friends and family, or any content from our app. To get started, grab your Creative Tonie, a phone with the Tonies app, and make sure your Toniebox 2 is connected to Wi-Fi. Put the Creative Tonie on the Toniebox, and in a few seconds you should see it in the app. Here's how to get started with your first recording. Tap on the Creative Tonie you want to add content to. Next, tap the microphone icon. A red button will pop up. Tap this and record your songs, stories, jokes or messages directly into the app. Now, tap Finish Recording. Once you're done recording, you can listen back to it, delete and record it again, or save and assign it to the Tonie. Tap Save and Assign, and a window will pop up to edit the playlist. Here you can reorder the tracks if you want to. Once you're happy, tap Update. If the Tonie is on the Toniebox, you'll need to take it off for a few seconds and then put it back on, and then new content will be ready to go. Here's how you add new songs or stories to your Creative Tonie. In the app, tap on Free. When the free content library opens up, you can choose the tracks you want to add. Then tap the cat head icon with the arrow. From here, you can choose which Creative Tonie you want to add the song or story to. Tap Update to make sure your new content is on the Creative Tonie. Remember to take it off the Toniebox for a few seconds, then put it back on to sync the new content. You can now listen to the new content on this Creative Tonie with or without Wi-Fi. Want to add some pre-recorded songs and stories from your phone to your Creative Tonie? No problem. Back in the app, tap on the Creative Tonie you want to use. Then tap Files in the top right corner and choose the song or story from your phone. Tap Update. You can also do this from your computer. Finally, just take the Tonie off the Toniebox for a few seconds, then put it back on and it will be ready to play. We also have a library of paid content you can choose from. Here's how. In the app, tap the shop icon. Choose the digital content you want to buy and check out. Next, go to your collection in the app and tap on the content you've just bought. Once it opens up, you can tap the cat head icon with the arrow to assign it to a Creative Tonie. Choose the Tonie you want to add it to and tap Update. Last step. Take the Tonie off the Toniebox for a few seconds, and when you put it back on, the content will be ready to play. You can also change the track order, remove tracks from your Creative Tonie, delete tracks, or deactivate them right from your phone. You can add personalised messages and custom content to the Nightlight Tonies too. Just follow the same steps. Our Nightlights come with preloaded stories and songs. If you accidentally delete one of the preloaded stories and songs, you'll find them stored in the library on the app. From there, just add them back. That's all there is to it. You're ready to get creative. Still have questions? Visit www.tonies.com